Hello Year 7. So today's lesson is on drawing a triangle. We're going to be looking at pages 230 to 231 in the book in Caboodle, and you will need a pencil, a protractor and a ruler. So those are things that you're going to need for the lesson. Okay, the first thing we're going to try and draw is just a very simple triangle. So I'm going to sketch the triangle first and then draw it accurately. So what I would like is a triangle looking something like this, with a 7 centimetre line, with an 80-degree angle there and a 50-degree angle there. So I'm going to try and draw that accurately using my ruler and protractor. So first things first, I draw that 7 centimetre line. So I've got my ruler, pencil, I draw a line 7 centimetres long. Then I need to measure some angles. So I'm going to do that 50-degree angle first by, I remember from last lesson, placing the middle against the end of the line and this bit against the line itself, so just line it up correctly. And then we measure 50 degrees. We need to go from 0, which is on the inside line there, not 180, 170, it's there, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So 50 degrees is down this line. And then we just join it up using our ruler. And just draw quite a long line. I don't know how big it needs to be. The second one, I'm going to do an 80-degree angle from this side. So we place the protractor at the other end. And this time it's going up on the outside line because that's where 0 is, 0 to 80. And then mark where 80 degrees will be, just there. And then we're going to join that up using a ruler. So pencil at the end, through my 80-degree angle, join it through. Doesn't matter, I've gone slightly over that one because that's my construction done. So this angle 50 degrees, this angle 80 degrees, and this angle 7 centimetres. If you'd like to try and draw that one out, as practice, you can pause the video now and have a look. I'm just going to measure this line just to see what this line is. That way, if you've drawn it, you'll also get a similar answer to mine. So, I make that about 9 centimetres approximately. So if you draw it out, hopefully you get 9 centimetres as well. Right, so the next triangle we're going to draw is an equilateral triangle. This equilateral triangle will have side lengths of 6 centimetres. So I'm going to be drawing an equilateral triangle. That's how we spell equilateral. And then the side lengths 6 centimetres. So I'm just going to plan out what I'm going to draw so I know what I'm looking at. So an equilateral triangle has equal length sides. So all the sides will be 6 centimetres. And it has equal sized angles. So the angles will all be 60 degrees. So I'm going to do a very similar thing to the first one we did. I'm going to measure a 6 centimetre line. So I'm using my ruler, 6 centimetre line there, and then 60-degree angles from either end. So 60-degree angle from this end. Again, so the inside 0 to 60. And this time, I could actually measure 6 centimetres because I know it's 6 centimetres in length. So I think I might do that. So 6 centimetres going through the line that I've made, finishes there. And I think I'm going to measure this angle. Again, 60 degrees. And there, little mark, very, very fine mark. And we should find that that again is 6 centimetres going through that little mark I made. And the end points. This will be 60 degrees. This will be 60 degrees. These are all the same at 6 centimetres. Okay, so we can draw different triangles giving different lengths. Okay, and the last one we're going to look at before I set you off with your task is this one. What I would like us to draw is a little triangle, and I would like a length here to be 6 centimeters, a length here to be 5 centimeters, and this angle to be 45 degrees. So be very specific about the bits that I want, and then we're going to measure this length and this angle just to see what we have. So I need again the baseline of 6 centimeters, so I'm going to draw a 6 centimeter line. So accurately drawn, 6 centimeters there. And then I'm going to draw my 45 degree angle from the end, so place the middle against the end point, and the line matches up. 45 degrees, so going from 0, there's 40. So we go up to the middle there of 45 degrees and put a little. Along this line, I'm going to measure 5 centimeters. So I think what I'll do is I'll draw a line slightly bigger and then highlight down that line to where 5 centimeters is. It's not quite the same as my protractor. So that's the bit I'm really interested in. I'm trying to make it look bigger there up to that point. Then I finish off by connecting these two lines. So 45 degrees, 6 centimeters and 5 centimeters. Now I wanted to know that length there and this angle here. So I need to get my ruler out to measure the length. The length I've got, you see, is 4.3 centimeters. 4.3 centimeters. And then get a protractor out to measure the angle. So place the protractor in the correct position and see where that line takes us. So that line is taking us up to there. So that makes 55 degrees. So B is 55 degrees. So we've done a construction where we measured two lines and an angle and measured some information from there. An angle here and a length there. And some of the triangles you're going to draw today will be looking like that. So the tasks which you need to do are now on page 231, and you should be able to have a go at questions 1 and 2. So page 231, questions 1 and 2. Hope that goes well. You may also try the problem solving one at the bottom if you prefer to do that as well. Otherwise, good luck.